Understanding women often feels like deciphering a complex code, especially when they guard their true feelings so closely. For a Sigma male focused on his own ambitious path, this puzzle can seem even more challenging. In this video, I'm going to cut through the mystery and share with you 6 undeniable signs that she's falling in love with you. Number 6. Laser-focused attention on you. When a woman is falling for you, her attention towards you intensifies significantly. It's not the typical everyday listening we're talking about here. This is the kind of focused, unwavering attention where it feels like you're the only person in the world when she's with you. She hangs onto every word you say, not just hearing, but truly listening, absorbing the essence of your thoughts and feelings. But it's more than just listening. She remembers the minutiae, the small details that you might not even recall mentioning. We're not just talking about her remembering your favorite band or your birthday. This is about noticing the subtle shifts in your tone of voice, the slight changes in your mood, the small frowns or smiles that others might miss. It's an awareness that shows she's tuned into you on a deeper level. This level of attention is not common. It's not just courtesy or politeness. It's a sign of deep respect and genuine interest. She values your opinions, seeks your perspective, and shows a desire to understand not just the surface level of your life, but the intricate layers beneath. When a woman invests this kind of attention in you, it's a clear indicator that her feelings are growing. She's not just involved in a casual conversation. She's emotionally investing in you, in your thoughts, your experiences, and, by extension, in a potential future with you. Number 5. She initiates communication. When a woman is truly falling for you, she won't just wait for you to reach out. She takes the initiative, sending you messages, calling, or making plans to meet. This is a significant shift from the usual dynamics where you might feel the burden of always being the one to make the first move. It's not just the frequency of her messages or calls that's telling, but also their nature. Her texts go beyond simple check-ins or casual chats. They're filled with substance, showing her desire to share her day with you, to include you in her thoughts, and to hear about your life. This initiative to communicate is a strong indicator of her interest and investment in building something more with you. Moreover, she doesn't just stick to texts or calls. She suggests plans to meet up, showing a willingness to invest her time in you. Whether it's grabbing a coffee, going for a walk, or planning something more elaborate, the fact that she's putting effort into seeing you is telling. It's her way of saying you're a priority and she wants to be a part of your life beyond the digital realm. This proactive approach in communication is a clear sign that she's serious about you and is a step closer to deepening the connection you both share. Number 4. Genuine interest in your life and aspirations. Another thing you'll notice is she doesn't just enjoy your company. She becomes deeply curious about your life, your dreams, and your challenges. This goes beyond polite questions or casual conversation. She wants to understand what drives you, what your goals are, and what challenges you face. This interest is shown in the way she listens to you talk about your aspirations, not just passively, but actively, asking probing questions, offering thoughts, or even brainstorming ideas with you. It's a level of engagement that shows she's not just hearing your words, she's processing them, thinking about them, and trying to see the world from your perspective. Additionally, her interest isn't fleeting or superficial. She remembers your long-term goals and follows up on them. If you mention a project you were working on or a goal you had set, she'll ask about it days or even weeks later, showing that she genuinely cares about the things that matter to you. This isn't about small talk or filling silence. It's a clear indication that she values your aspirations and sees them as an integral part of who you are. Her willingness to understand and support your dreams is a powerful sign of her deepening feelings and her desire to be a part of your journey. Number 3. She's willing to open up and share her own vulnerabilities. This means she doesn't just see the Sigma male as another acquaintance. She starts to view you as a confidant, someone she can trust with her deeper thoughts and feelings. This is a significant step in any relationship as it signifies a level of comfort and trust that goes beyond the superficial. This sharing of vulnerabilities can manifest in several ways. She might start to share personal stories from her past, her fears, her dreams, and even her insecurities. These are aspects of her life that she wouldn't share with just anyone. It's a sign she feels safe with you, trusting you with her inner world. Moreover, her openness isn't just about sharing her struggles. It's also about showing her genuine self, without the facades we often put up in social situations. She lets you see her in her moments of doubt, joy, sadness, or excitement. This level of openness is not only about her comfort with you, but also about her desire for a deeper, more authentic connection. It indicates that she's not just interested in a surface level interaction. She's seeking a meaningful bond where both of you can be your true selves. Number 2. Her body language and nonverbal cues. When a woman is falling in love, her body language often speaks volumes, sometimes even more than her words. She might not always say how she feels, but her actions and reactions can reveal her true emotions. Notice the small things, the way she looks at you, the frequency of her smiles when she's around you, and the closeness of her physical proximity. When she's interested in developing deeper feelings, she might unconsciously lean towards you when you're talking, maintain longer eye contact, or find reasons to touch you, like a gentle pat on the back or a playful nudge. These are instinctive reactions that are hard to control and are strong indicators of attraction and comfort. Additionally, her facial expressions when she's with you are telling. Does her face light up when you enter the room? Does she genuinely smile when you make eye contact? These nonverbal cues are crucial in understanding how she feels about you. They're natural, unscripted reactions that can often communicate more than words. This kind of body language is a powerful indicator that she's emotionally invested and is experiencing a deepening affection towards you. Number 1. She integrates you into her future plans. A woman that's in love with you doesn't just see you as part of her present, but also as a significant part of her future. This is a major indicator of deep feelings, as it shows she's thinking long-term and sees a potential future with you in it. This sign manifests in the way she talks about the future. Pay attention to whether she includes you in her plans, even in small ways. She might mention upcoming events or plans and ask if you'd be interested in joining. Or she could speak about future aspirations and casually align them with yours, suggesting a desire to mesh your lives together. Moreover, it's not just about making plans together. It's also about how she considers your opinions and preferences when thinking about her own future. She values your input on major decisions, seeks your advice, and shows that your thoughts and feelings matter to her. This level of consideration is a clear indication that she's serious about you. It's a sign that she's not just enjoying the present moment, but is actively considering how you fit into the larger picture of her life. Her willingness to integrate you into her future is a profound indication of her love and commitment to the relationship. And there you have it. The 6 unmistakable signs she's falling in love with you. Remember, understanding these signs is just the beginning. Subscribe to our channel if you found this content valuable. To uncover the next best way to love up as a man, dive into the video, 5 secrets that will make girls lust for you, and learn how to drive women crazy.